Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to set up a Django server. In order to set up a Django server we will use a IDE which is called Visual Studio Code. So here you can see I have opened Visual Studio Code. In the Visual Studio Code just go to the file menu bar, open a new folder where we will put all our Django files. Here I am creating a new folder, project_3. Okay, now you can see the project_3 folder has been listed here. You can see there's no file is available here. First we will go to the terminal, open new terminal. Now we will create a virtual environment so that all our file will be specific to that particular environment. So we will install virtual environment wrapper. For that we will type pip install virtual environment wrapper. You can see here requirement already satisfied, so a virtual environment is already installed in my system, but you have to install in your system if it is not installed. Now you can create a virtual environment. For that you will type make virtual env, and now you have to give the name for your virtual environment. I just give like project_5. Now virtual environment has been created. You can see now you are within the virtual environment project 5. Okay, let's close this terminal. Again open the terminal, and later you forgot the name of your virtual environment. Then you can see the list of virtual environment has been created in your system. For that you will type ls virtual env. So here you can see I have number of virtual environment I have created in my system. So how you will go to your virtual environment? Here you can see the virtual environment that we have created is project_5. So you can go work on project_5. Now you are in your virtual environment. Now within this virtual environment we have to install the Django. For that you have to type pip install the Django. Okay, now we can see the Django is successfully installed in our environment. Now we have to create a Django project. For that we will type Django admin start project and the project name which you want to give. I will give like project_5. Okay, now we'll see here the project_file folder has been created. Okay, we will go within this folder and we will see. So we are entering into this folder. Now we will go and see the list of file we have created. Here you can see we are having a project_5 and the manage.py. In the project_5 we have a list of file that we will see later. First we will just run the server. For that we need this manage.py file. I just run this manage.py and run server. This command will start your Django server. Now here we can see it says that starting development server at this link. So we'll just open this link. Here you can see our Django server start running. So later we will know how to create a project in the Django server. Thank you very much.